So today's topic of our discussion is graph traversals. You have done two type of graph traversals already. One is breadth first search and one is depth first search, right? So breadth first search is always done level wise, and depth first till you reach the last node, we have to do that of a particular edge. Then I'll tell you how to reach it, right? So let's start off with this graph and let's see how we will be traversing this graph breadthwise, right? You know what is graph?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
You know what is graph? Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Can you tell me what is the problem with my voice? Please tell me what is the problem with my voice. Anybody can unmute and tell me whether it is clear or not. Am I audible? Please tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we will be doing breadth first search and it is done by using queue data structure. Fine. It is done with the help of queue data structure. Okay. So what we will do in breadth first search, you can start off with any vertex. See, graph is a set of V and E. There is a set of vertices and there is edges between the vertices. Okay. So it may be directed, it may not be directed, or it may be undirected. It may be cyclic graph, it may be acyclic graph. Fine. So when nothing is given, when no vertex is given, then you can start with a vertex of your own choice. So we are starting with 0. We are starting with 0. Okay. Now adjacent to vertex 0, which vertices are there in this graph? 1 and there are two vertices which are adjacent to 0. So we will push both vertices in the queue. Okay. We will push both the vertices in the queue. This and this. Okay. We will not see rest of the vertices. Okay. Now, see, when we put 0, 0 has how many adjacent vertices? Directly connected vertices are only 2, that is 3 and 1. That is 3 and 1. So we have pushed both 1 and 3 inside the queue. That means 0 is processed. That means 0 is processed. Okay? That means 0 is processed. Is it fine? Is it clear? If the concept is clear, please raise your hands. If the concept is clear, please raise your hand. Means you will start with 0 node and the directly connected vertices to 0 are 1 and 3. So both of the vertices will be kept in the queue. So that means we can say 0 is processed. We can say 0 is processed. Now, second is 1. Now see the vertices which are directly connected to 1, 2, 6 and 5. 2, 6 and 5. Directly connected vertices of 1 are 2, 6 and 5. ये कौन सा प्रिंसिपल फॉलो करता है? क्यों? FIFO, फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. 0 is processed, तो हमने इसको निकाल दिया. 0 is here now. Now first, so we will be processing the first vertex. तो उसके जितने भी directly connected vertices हैं, put them into the queue. 2, 6 and 5, or you may put 2, 5 and 6, that is your design. You can put it in any order. The idea is to process the directly connected vertices of 3. Okay. So now 1 is processed, remove 1. Now it's the turn of 3. 3 के directly connected vertices कौन से हैं? 2 and 4. 3's directly connected vertices are 2 and 4. Now you see, 2 is already there in the list. That means you have already visited the vertex number 2. You have already visited the vertex number 2. Now what is left? 4. So we will be putting vertex number 4 in Q now. So I'm taking this to this side. 0, 1, 3, then 2, 6, 5, and okay. That means you have to insert the unvisited vertex of, suppose you have taken this 3. 3 is directly connected vertices are 2 and 4. 2 is already processed since it is in the queue. So you will not do it again. So you will not put 2 again. So you will put the unvisited vertex, that is 4, into this queue. Okay. Then next is, we have processed 3 now. Please mute yourself, whoever is unmute. Then you will take 2 out. See, 2's directly connected vertices are 4 and 5. They are already into the queue. So you can easily remove 2. Fine, because 2 is processed. Now 6. 6 directly connected vertices are 1 and 4. 1 is processed and 4 is already in the queue. So that means there is no vertex which is not visited. So next you will pop out 5. Remove 5. 5's directly connected vertices are 2 and 1. So they are already processed. Then you will take 4. 4 directly connected vertices are 2 and 3. So they are already processed. So this will be the order for breadth first search. It may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 4, or it may be 2, 6, 5, 4. If the concept is clear, please raise your hand. If it is clear, please raise your hand. If there are any doubts, then you can put your questions. If there are any doubts, you can put your questions. Or if you are not, any questions you have? No questions? Okay, thank you. For the same graph, we will do depth first search. For the same graph, we will pursue with the depth first. See, depth first search will follow the rule of stack. It will follow the rule of stack. That is last in, first out. Okay, last in, first out. Now, it is little bit different from depth first search. That is, वहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था? We have taken both the adjacent vertices to 0 and pushed inside the queue, right? But here we are not going to do that. We have to take either one of them. See, जो आपका GPS है ना, it is following both depth first search and breadth first search. For example, मान लीजिए you have to move from Amritsar to Dehradun. Okay, one route is via anybody knows? One route is via Chandigarh, another is via Ambala and so on. Okay, there may be n ways, right? So when GPS is showing you, you are finding the way from Amritsar to Dehradun, it is showing you 5 or 6 distances, right? So that is your breadth first source, means it is giving you the adjacent nodes which are to Amritsar, fine. Then you start finding the typical route till Dehradun. For example, you decided to go to the Chandigarh. You set the navigator to show me the direction. Now what it will do, it will be giving you the depth first search graph for it. Means it will be taking you from the source distance to the route, your destination, by taking all the villages, all the cities into the account which are coming on the way. So that is your depth first search, right? Means you have to select one at a time and then you will reach, you have to travel until you reach your destination. Similarly, We start from 0. Either we will put 1 or we will put 3. We have to take one of these. One of these. We have to take one of these. I'm again repeating. 1 and 3 are directly connected to vertex 0. So you have to adopt the way from where you want to go, only one of these. Only one of these. Either you will push 1 into the stack or you will push 3 into the stack. So let's start. Put 0. Next, 1 and 3 are adjacent to 0. So put either one of them. Either one of them means Karan, yes. Karan, any doubts? Karan Kumar. You may ask your question or you may mute yourself, please. Otherwise, I'll mute you. Karan, do you have any questions? Okay, fine. So we will push 1 into the stack, right? Now you are not adopting this thing. Means you are not putting the adjacent node of 0, that is 1 and 3 into the stack. Only we have to put 1, that is only 1, right? Now see the adjacent node of 1. There are how many nodes? 1, 2 and 3. You can push any one of these into the stack. So that's 2. Then find the adjacent node of 2, that is 4. So put 4. 2 is connected to 4, so it is 1, right? Next, 4 के adjacent node कहाँ पे है? 6. So you will push 6. As you can see in the graph, there are 6 nodes, but how many vertices we have visited in the see, we are going from 0 to 1. From 1 to we have gone to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6. This is the way we are traveling the graph till the last node, right? Now we have skipped 5 here because we have not visited 5. Now how to visit it? See, then अगर हम यहाँ से जाना चाहें तो since there is no direct way between 6 and 5, there is no direct edge between 6 and 5, so it is not feasible for us to visit 5 from 6. That means there should be some other method. That method is called backtracking. That method is called backtrack. Okay. Now backtrack कैसे करना? First of all, pop 6. 6 निकल गया, यहाँ पर गया 4. ठीक है? 6 has no adjacent node which has not been visited. 6 के adjacent node कौन सी है? 4. 4 is visited. 6 के adjacent node is 1. 1 is also visited. See, 1 is there, 4 is there. Right? Now, move back to 4. Move back to 4 because 4 is at the top of the stack now. So you will pop 4. You will pop 4. See, 4 के adjacent node कौन सी है? 2. 2 is already processed. 2 is already processed. Right? 3. So, वो भी करते हैं. I think I've done something wrong. Okay, you can also do this way. This is one way. Since we are left with 3 and 5, so we can also do this way. See, 2 की nodes कौन सी process नहीं है? 2 1 is processed, 4 is processed. Which is not processed? 3. So you may put 3. Okay?
5 also.
5 we can do. 5 we have not reached so far. Okay? Now, because 4 के adjacent node is 3 ना, 2 पे अभी हम आ रहे हैं, right? या आप इसको भी बाहर निकाल लीजिए. You just come. You're right. We can also do this way. 6, 4, pop 2. Now see, 2 की कौन सी nodes left है? 3 and 5. So you may put 3, you may put 5. Right? So this way, 6, 4, 2. Yeah, you may write 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, and 6. See, 6 और 4 बाहर है already. Then you will, because you have inserted 2's adjacent node, that is 3 and 5. So pop out 5, then pop out 3, then pop out 2, 1 and 0. This way you can do. Or you may, there is another BFS for this, we can also try for that. See, we can also, this is one way. Another way is, यहाँ से जाने की बजाय आप यहाँ चले जाओ. Because you have to choose one. So 2 का adjacent node 3 भी है. So you will push 3, then 3 to 4, then 4 to 6. Okay. Since 5 is not reachable from 6, so backtrack, go to 6, bring out 6 since 4 is processed and 1 is processed. Then bring out 4, pop out 4, 4's edge, which are processed. 6 is also processed and 3 is also processed since it is into the stack. Okay. Now bring out 3. 3's nodes are processed, 4 and 2. Both of them are in queue. Right? So you will backtrack it. Now you will go to 2. Bring out 2. 6, 4, 3, bring out 2. 2's edges which are left now, only 5. So put 5 here. Fine. So you may put this way. Because 5 will come first, then 2 will come, then 1, then 0. So this would be the order. 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. Or otherwise, the second, the previous order was also correct. If it is understood, then raise your hand, or if you have question, then you can unmute yourself. Any questions you have, then you can unmute yourself. This is last and first out. You have to backtrack simply. You have to bring out the nodes, then you will process the vertices, put inside the stack, and then again you will pop them out. You have to go till the last node. Any questions you have here? Anchal Mittal, any question? Or you are in some doubt?
No, ma'am.
Abhinav Kashyap, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Kunal, Sharanjeet, Amit Yadav. Any doubts you have? Okay, fine. So this is your traversal. Application I told you, generally they found the application in finding the short route और जब आप navigation के लिए रास्ते बनाते हैं, so there BFS and BFS are taken into the account. Generally gas pipelines, जहाँ जहाँ आपको shortest distance की जरूरत पड़ती है, you start doing this graph traversals. Okay. So next is the quantity sorting. This is very, very interesting topic. So this is the graph. Is graph clear? Is graph clear? In the possible sorting, we have edges, we have set of vertices, and it's a directed graph. That is, the edges with the directions are drawn between the two vertices. Right? So A, edge from B is coming to A, then edge from A is going to C, E to A to F, F to D, F to C, and C to D. Okay, so this is your graph. Right? Now in possible sorting, what we have to do? Rule number 1: choose the edge choose the vertex with no incoming edges. You know in degree and out degree? In degree out degree पता है आपको? What is in degree in graph and what is out degree in graph?
Yes,
Can anyone tell what is in degree and out degree of any graph?
Ma'am, in
ma'am.
A,
Yes, yes. One by one you can see. Please बोलिए.
Ma'am, the number of nodes coming towards
Number of edges coming toward any vertex is called in degree.
Yes.
Number of edges going out of any node is called out degree. Fine? Fine. So इसके मतलब आपने यहाँ पे you have to choose the vertex with no incoming edges. मतलब where in degree is 0. Where in degree is 0. Where in degree is 0. Okay? You have to choose the vertex with in degree 0. Okay? So now see, which is the vertex which is not having any in degree?
B,
B. Yes. So you will start from B. Okay? Just wait. So this is rule number 1. Okay? So you will start from B. Okay? So second rule, you will remove the vertex with no in degree, means with the 0 in degree. So I am going to remove this B because आपने बोला B की कोई in degree नहीं. And you also have to, rule number 2 is to remove all the outgoing edges of vertex with in degree 0. Fine. जिस vertex की in degree 0 है उसके outgoing vertex you have to move all the edges which are going out of the vertex which is having in degree 0. So now B has two edges which are outgoing. One was B to A and second was
B to E.
So I'll remove. Okay. Make sure you should not remove the direction part, otherwise you will be negatively confused. So next, now A. So let's do A. Because now A is not having any incoming edges. Okay. Now move the outgoing edges. A को भी move कर दीजिए और इसके edges भी move कर दीजिए. Next. Next. B A हो गया.
E.
Now E, because he has no incoming edges. Now
F,
F. Remove F. No incoming edges. Now
C,
C. E then
Ma'am, I think
D.
A का incoming edge था.
A का incoming edge था ना? तो
मैम
तो remove
यस मैम
तो
ई
कर
होगा
सकते हैं.
वहाँ पे ई.
A की जगह पे E आना था.
चलो यहाँ पे आएगा.
मैंने मैम ई
Yes,
बोला था.
B E then फिर A होगा ना? Because जब E से आपने ऐसा
Yes,
हटा दिया तो फिर A भी
फिर
आ गया. फिर F then C. ठीक है? B E A F C. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now C then B. B E A F C D. This is called topological sorting. That means you have sorted the graph by using the in degree and out degree. Fine. जिसका in degree 0 है पहले उसको remove किया, फिर उसके बाद जिस next के in degree 0 हुई उसको remove किया, and so on. You have removed the vertices according to the in degrees. Okay. Fine. Now is it clear? If it is clear, please raise your hands.
यस मैम.
Any questions you have, you can ask. Please raise your hand so that we can move further. Where is the application of this topological sort? See, you have done Dijkstra algorithm, Dijkstra कह लो, Dijkstra कह लो. So now we will be doing that. See, Dijkstra algorithm using this topological sorting. How that sorting will help you? If it is given in the paper that you have to do the Dijkstra solving, Dijkstra algorithm by using the topological sorting, then only you will adopt this technique. Otherwise, there is no way. See, first of all, I will make you one situation clear. Suppose if the condition would happen like this. Now, what would be your topological sorting? Please tell me what will be your topological sorting. Can you tell? Will you be able to move the edges according to the in degree 0? Since every vertex is having one incoming edge. Can you do it? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Any answer? So in this condition, you are seeing this like a deadlock. Like you saw in your operating system. This is kind of deadlock. That means this kind of graph cannot be. We cannot sort this kind of graph with the help of topological sorting. Right? We cannot sort this kind of graph using the topological sorting. Here, okay? So we cannot sort this kind of graph. Sorting is not possible. Topological sorting is not possible for such kind of. Okay? Is it clear? ठीक है जी. Next. We will make one graph. Just wait, I'm just closing this video. Once I'll make the graph, I'll open this video, okay? See. Finding shortest path using TS, that is topological sorting. Right? Finding shortest path using topological sorting. See, this is the graph which I made, and then we have applied topological sorting. See, in this graph, B has no incoming edge, move B. Then E has no incoming edge, move A, E. Because when B is moved, this edge will be moved and this edge will be moved. Then you have A has no incoming edge, then F, then C, then B. Okay, similar lines that you have done. So I have drawn that particular line. Now see, distance between B and E is 2. So you have started with node B because that is the starting node, which has no incoming edge. So B to E, it is 2. Then E to A, it is 2. So I am writing 2 here. Then A to F is having weight 7. Right, so I have written 7 here. Then you have F to C. F to C is -1. So this is there. C to D is -2. So I have written 7. Okay. Then A to B is 5. So B to A is 5. B to A is 5. So you have drawn B to A is 5. Then A to C is also 5. So A to C is also 5. From E to F. E to F is 4 this way. Then F to D is 2. F to D is 2. F to D is 2 by 2 is that. Okay, I will draw. So F to D is 2 now. Okay, so this is the graph this way. Is this clear? Is this clear? If it is clear, please raise your hand. I just want to know if the things are clear. Otherwise, I can repeat.
It once.
Yes.
मैम रिपीट कर दो.
Okay. ये ग्राफ आपको दिया हुआ है along with the weights. Okay. Then you will make the topological sorting of this graph, and this graph is similar to the graph which we have done previously. Only the weights of edges have been there. Otherwise, nothing is there. Okay. Then you have just made the topological sorting. If we make the topological sorting, what would be the topological sorting? You will do with me. Answer, you will start. Which edge has no incoming in degree? B.
Yes, ma'am.
Then E. Because if I move this edge and this edge, I will come with E. Then A. Okay. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
F,
F. Then
C,
then
D.
See, I have made this order. B, E, A, F, C, D. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, B to E, what is the distance? B to E, what is the distance?
2.
2.
So it is written. It is written in the graph. ये लिखा ना मैंने. This is the weight of this edge. B to E edge का weight जो है वो 2 है. Then E to A
2.
2. It is also written. Then A to F. A to F is 7.
7.
Then F to C is
-1.
-1. C to D is -2.
-2.
Okay, so this is written this way. Now B to A is 5.
5.
B to A is 5. So B to A this way. So it is written 5. Okay. Then A to C. A to 5. Okay. Then E to F. E to F is 4. So E to F draw edge, that is 4. Then F to D is 2. F to D is 2. Okay. Now is it clear answer? Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Or there
Yes.
is
Yes.
any confusion? ठीक है? Fine. I'm not getting your voice today. Why are you so inactive, or my voice is not coming to you?
It's clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. You should be very much responsive. Don't be inactive. I know this is after lunchtime. You might be feeling sleepy, but you have to be energetic in order to understand this subject. Otherwise, this would all the things are easy. People have made it a big confusion that is a difficult one. Rather, it's a rumor that is a difficult one. Now you have done 3-4 portions of the DA, only 1/4 portion is left. We are left with only part 4. Today I will be winding up part 3. Since many problems we have done till date, have you found any problem difficult? I think the answer the majority will be no, because the things are very easy, but you have to be very much active in order to perform this thing, right? So अब इसको solve कैसे करना है? First of all, you will start with E. Why E? Because B has no incoming edge, so we cannot start from B. We cannot start from B. One edge is required in order to start. So we will put infinity on all this. We assume E as source. We assume E as source. So E से हमें we have to find the distance of E to A, E to B, E to C, E to D, E to F. E to E would be 0. E to E would be 0. Because your initialization is this way, that E to E would be 0. We always put E to E, A to A, B to A, distance B to B, A to A. Where we find this kind of thing, B to D, C to C, D to D, will be always 0. Unless and something like this would be given. अगर यहाँ पे 4 दिया जाए फिर then d to d would be 4. If this kind of loop is not given, then it will always be 0. It would always be big 0. Okay, this you remember. So you will put e to e would be 0. Now e to a, what is the distance? What is the distance from e to a? It is 2. So put 2 here. Move infinity, put 2 here. Then a to f, what is the distance?
7.
7. Put 7 here. Okay. Now you find, see, one node, one edge is coming from e to f. Now calculate the weight of that particular edge. If you find a better option, then you can update the previous figure with that. See, e's weight is 0, this has weight is 4, so 0 plus 4, this is 4. But we are having which weight? 7. So which is less? 4 is less. So you will remove 7 and complete it with. Is it clear? See again. I put 7 here. I put 7. Okay. Now calculate. This is 2. I tell you. The weight of 0 to 2 edge is 2 and this a to f is having 7. So 2 plus 7 would be 9. Now see, weight of e would be 0. 0 plus 4 will be 4. So 4 is less than 9. So update this part with the better option, that is 4. So this is called relaxing of edge. ये मैंने आपको बताया था. You have to update the edge with the smallest value. So since the e weight is 0, the edge weight is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Here from here it was coming 9. So better to update it with 4. Now see. We have to find the value from f to c. 4 minus 1 would be 3.
3.
Okay. Here it is 2. 2 plus 5 would be 7. Here it is 2. 2 plus 5 would be 7. From here 7 minus 1 would be 6. 3 रास्ते आ रहे हैं ना, देखो एक रास्ता है इधर से, that is 2 plus 5 would be 7. एक रास्ता इधर से आएगा, 7 minus 1 would be 6. Okay. और तीसरा रास्ता आएगा, 4 minus 1 would be 3. So which option you will update with?
3.
Okay. Now come here. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 4 plus 2 would be 6. Which is the better option?
2.
1. Weight is 4. Edge weight is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here minus 1 plus यहाँ पे आपने 3 क्या 4 minus 1, this is 3. So 3 minus 2 it would be 1. So which is better value? 1. Which is better value? It would be 1. Now let's do the total path calculation. E weight is 0, A weight is 2, F weight is 4, C weight is 3, and D weight is 1. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1 is 10. The total weight of minimum weight of this graph will be 10. And you will write B is not reachable because we are not having any back edge towards B. So B is not reachable from. But if you consider B as a source, then the scene will change. If you consider B as a source, then B will become 0 and you will process the graph accordingly. And the entire scene will change. Is it clear? If it is clear, please raise your hand. And if you have any doubts, you can put your questions. If you have any doubts, you can put your questions. This is the another way to follow the shortest path. Any graph will be given to you. You can apply the topological sorting and find the shortest path. Okay. Any questions anyone have? Simar Singh Walia, is it clear? You're not audible to me.
Ma'am, audible now?
Yes. Everything is clear or clean?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, clean or clear?
नहीं मैम clear है.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is this way, okay? Next is Bellman-Ford algorithm. Bellman-Ford you have done, we will do Floyd option. First, we will solve the entire problem, then I will give you the formula in end. If I've given you the formula, you may take it in the beginning also. I'll try both ways. Okay? So that is called all pair shortest path. Algo. You have done single source shortest path. First algorithm was Dijkstra algorithm, single source shortest path. Then you did Bellman-Ford algorithm, but the difference between Dijkstra and Bellman-Ford was that Bellman-Ford is used to detecting negative cycles in the graph. Here we are finding the all pair shortest path. That means, and it is called Floyd-Warshall algorithm. So what does that mean? Suppose we have been given this graph 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is fully connected, fine. Fully connected graph is there with the direction and weight, and I will be drawing that final graph here after a few minutes. Then you have to find the distance between 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and 1 to 4, 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3, sorry, 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. Okay, then 3. Means you have to find the distance of every vertex to every other vertex in the graph. अब देखो यहाँ पे 4 vertex हैं. So when you start 1 as a source, you have to find the distance between 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and 1 and 4. When you start with this vertex 2, then what you will do? You will find the shortest path between 2 to 1, 2 to 2, and 2 to 3. 2 to 1, 2 to 3, and 2 to 2. Similarly, when you will start with 3, 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 4. Then when you start with 4, 4 to 1, 4 to 2, 4 to 3. This is the idea. Fine. Now how to find out? This is called all pair shortest path, right? So we will be doing just wait. I'm just putting the graph on the board. I've drawn that draw and just putting it on. See, this is all pair shortest path. I've drawn a graph by taking the 4 vertices. You may take n, that is up to you. You may take 5, 6. So we have drawn a weighted directed graph. 1 to 2 weight is 9, 2 to 1 weight is 6, 1 to 3 minus 4, then 3 to 2 it is 5, then 4 to 3 it is 1, and 2 to 4 it is 2. Now you have to fill this matrix. How you will fill this? You will put जितने vertices उतने column में उतने row में. Fine. So this is the first rule. Because we have to find the shortest path between all pairs. This is say vertex 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and 1 to 4. This is vertex 2, 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. Then 3 to 1, 3 to 2. ठीक है. अब जहाँ रो और कॉलम का नेम मैच करता है, put 0. Where row is 1, column is 1. Yeah, column is 1 and row is 1. Put 0. Row 2, column 2. Row 3, column 3, row 4, column 4. So you will put 0. Okay? Now, see, 1, 2, 2. The weight is 9. Put 9. 1, 2, 3. Weight is minus 4. Put minus 4. Then 1 to 4, there is no edge, so put infinity. Whenever there is no edge, put infinity. Fine. Now 2 to 1 is, what is the weight of 2 to 1 edge? 6. Put that. Fine. 2 to 2 is 0. Then 2 to 3, we don't have any edge. So, see, this is 3 to 2, not 2 to 3. This line is 3 to 2, not 2 to 3. So, you will put infinity. Next, 2 to 4 is, see, 2 to 4 is 2, so put 2. 2 to 4 is 2, so put 2. 3 to 1 is infinity because we don't have direct edge. Then 3 to 2 is 5. Then 3 to 3 is 0. 3 to 4, we don't have any edge, put infinity. Then 4 to 3, we have 1. There is no edge from 4 to 1, 4 to 2, so you will put infinity. Yahan tak clear hai? Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
ये पता चल गया how to fill the values? You
Yes,
know how
ma'am.
to fill the values, ये पता चल गया? Now, formula क्या होता है? मैं बताती हूँ. Next step में क्या करना है? If you want to take the screenshot, you can take. If you want to draw the diagram, I can give you 2 minutes. You just draw this. Because everything depends upon, afterwards I am going to move the diagram. Then everything will depend upon this matrix. And at the end, graph will again come to the picture. So if you want to take the screenshot for the reference, you can take and I can move further. Okay, or you may draw if you want to. So have you taken a screenshot? Shall I move this graph now? Can I move? Yes or no? Please
Yes,
speak.
ma'am.
I'm going to move it. You have taken the screenshot, I think. All of you have taken, please raise your hand if you have taken. Just take the screenshot of this screen. You have taken the screenshot for the further reference, only then you will be, you have to take the screenshot after each iteration. I'll be doing. Okay. So I'm just going to move this graph. Initially, the matrix name is D0. D naught बोल लीजिए या D0 बोल लीजिए. That is your wish. Now, we have to find D1. Since we have to find the shortest path from. Again, same thing. Put the vertex numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. अब इसको fill करने का rule क्या है? First step, you have copied it from graph. Now what we do in second step? Whatever is written there, d की power कितनी है? 1, because we are calculating the first iteration. जितना number है, उतना row number और column number same copy करेंगे आप. So it is number 1. So keep the first row and the first column same from the D0. 0, 9, -4, infinity, 6, infinity, infinity. D की degree 1, copy the row number 1 and column number 1 from 0 matrix to 1 matrix as it is with no changes. If it is clear, please raise your hands. If it is clear, please raise your hand. Generally, this question comes in 10 marks in the final paper. That's why I'm putting more emphasis on it. Isha, Jugraj, Amitesh, Abhishek Kumar Singh, Lavish Chawla. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second step, where row number and column number are same, put 0. Where row number and column number are same, put 0. Is it clear? Is this clear? Is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, you have to substitute the value in this formula every time. Now we have to calculate how many values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In every matrix we are going to calculate 6 values, that's it. Okay. So D1, K की value is 1, it is depicted from here. D1 I comma J, which value is this? 2 comma 3. Which value is this? 2 comma 3. Minimum of what would be K minus 1? D naught. I comma J is 2 comma 3 comma D naught I comma K. What is the value of I? 2. What is the value of K? 1. Then plus D of K minus 1 is 0. Then 1 comma 3. Is it clear? I've just substituted the values in the formula. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
D1, 2, 3, that is the value you are going to calculate. So minimum of D0, k minus 1 is 0 because the value of k is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2, 3. Then B0, I, k is 2, 1 and 1, 3. Is it clear? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So from this matrix, you are taking these values for the reference. D of minimum of infinity, D of 2, 3 is infinity in D0. Then
Yes, ma'am.
D0, 2, 1 is 6
6.
and 1, 3 is minus 4. So you are not able to see, I think. So I'll do somewhere here. Yeah, Katu? So I'll do here so that everything should be. Minimum of infinity, comma 2, 1 is 6 plus minus 4 because 1, 3 is 2. So this will be infinity, comma 2, which is the better value, which is the minimum value, 2. So let's substitute this value with 2. Let's substitute this value with 2. Okay? Is it clear? If it is clear, please raise your hands. Some people have raised their hands permanently. See, 2, 3 is infinity, 2, 1 is 6, and 1, 3 is minus 4 from B0 you have to take. आपने क्या करना है प्रीवियस वैल्यू से रेफरेंस वैल्यूज लेनी है उनको कैलकुलेट करना है पुट इट इन द करंट मैट्रिक्स देन इंफिनिटी और 2 में से कौन सा लेस है 2 सो यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट 2 देयर राइट सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप बेस्ट व्हिच वैल्यू वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट नाउ आई विल मूव दिस फॉर्मूला so that D1 next value which we are going to calculate is 2, 4. 2, 4 which is equal to minimum of D0 of 2, 4 comma D0 of 2, 1 plus D0 of 1, 4. Give me the values for this. 2, 4, what is the value? 2, 2, 1, 6,
6.
1, 4 is
Infinity.
Anything which is appended to infinity will become infinity. 2, infinity is, which is better value of this?
2.
You will substitute. Okay? It is clear? Now, if it is clear, please raise your hands. Only 5, 6, 7 schools are active, otherwise the rest I don't know what they are doing. Sleeping after the lunch? Okay. Next value is, we will be calculating 3, 2. Put 3, 2, minimum of D0, 3, 2, then comma, किसने डाला है? मैं नहीं कर रहा। अभी बहुत आई ना, we'll do it. Give me the values for this. 3, 5.
5. Infinity. Plus 1, 2, 9.
1, 2 is not 9, 6.
Ma'am, 1,
sorry.
2.
Ma'am,
9.
9. So 5, infinity. Which is the rest?
5.
5.
Whenever you are finding a better option, that means you are relaxing an edge. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. 3, 4. Give me the values for this. 3, 4
Infinity.
is in infinity. 3,
Infinity.
1 is infinity. 1, 4 is again infinity. So better value is again infinity.
Infinity.
Now calculate 4,
2.
2. Give me the values for this. 4, 2 is infinity.
Infinity.
9.
9.
So it is again become infinity.
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 So better values.
Infinity.
Okay. Now calculate 4, 3.
3.
So what should I do now?
1.
1,
1
3,
Infinity.
minus 4.
Infinity minus 2.
Minus 2.
minus
2.
4. 1, 3 is minus
Minus
4. So 1, infinity.
Infinity.
Better values.
1.
So this is the first two. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is clear, please raise your hands. If it is clear, please raise your hands. Not many hands are coming up. Mohit, Simar Singh Walia, Lavish Jugraj, Isha, Harleen, Harsh Kumar. Any problems you can ask. If you want to repeat me, we can repeat. Okay? In the next step, we are going to move this. First matrix is over, so this is moved into the use. So let's move it. Now my current matrix is D1. Now make D2. Now what to do, Harsh Kumar, Himanshu Gupta? Kindly unmute and tell me what I will do now. Which row and column I keep the same?
Column 2 and row 2.
Column 2 and row 2. So give me the values for this. 905 infinity. Row 2 is 6022. Then put 0, 0 and 0 here. How many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6.
Again 6 values we have to calculate. Now I'm not applying the formula. I will do this straight away. D2, which value we have to calculate? 1, 3. So it is minimum of D1, 1, 3 plus comma D1 of 1, 2 plus D1 of 2, 3. Give me the values for this. Give me the values for this.
Minus 4. 9. 2, 2.
2.
2.
Which is better?
Plus 11.
Which is better?
11.
Minus 4.
Ma'am,
One is
minus
हाँ जी minus वाली वैल्यू कम नहीं आएगी 11 से.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Minus 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Minus
it
4.
will be minus 4. Okay. Then calculate 1, 4. This is fine. Here we have to do this. 1, 4 is infinity.
Infinity.
1, 2 is
9.
2,
4 is
4.
2.
Infinity, 11. Which is better option?
11.
11. Put 11. Okay. Next. Calculate 1, 3. 1, 3 or 3, 1?
Ma'am, 3, 1.
3, Give me the values for this. Akriti, please give me the values for this. Am I audible?
Ma'am, I'm solving.
Okay. You just give me the values from this, na? D of 1, 3, 1 is
infinity,
3,
5,
2 is
5,
5, plus 2,
1 is
1 is 6.
6, infinity, 11,
Infinity.
11,
Next value. Next value we are going to calculate is 3, 4. Give me the values for this. 3, 4 is infinity.
infinity, 5, 2.
But values again. क्या किया आपने?
Ma'am, 2, 4 is 2.
5 plus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 2 is 5 and 2, 4 is 2. So it is 7.
7,
Infinity, 7. Better value is 7.
7,
Okay. Now calculate 4, 1.
4, 1.
Give me the values for this. 4, 1 is infinity.
Infinity,
In
infinity,
infinity plus 2, 1 is 6.
6,
So better one is again infinity.
Infinity.
So put infinity. Then we have to calculate which
4,
value.
3,
Give me the values for this. 4, 3 is 1.
1, 4, 2, infinity, 2, 3 is 2,
So it is 1, infinity. That
Infinity.
is 1.
1.
Okay. So this is your D2. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all? Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now all of you take 5 minutes. I am giving you 5 minutes. Now make the D3. And I'll be asking you randomly what would be the values. Okay? Is that clear? If it is clear, please raise your hand. Take 5 minutes. It is 3:15 now. At 3:20, we will be discussing what would be the answer for D3. And you people will be telling me. Okay? So solve it right now on your whatever paper you have. Okay? Then we will do it.